Right, so as many of you know, a lot of the machines that I repair in my workshop are provided by my friend Paul, Universal Retro Boss, who buys and sells vintage everything, really. He doesn't just do computers, he does games consoles, he does all sorts. It's all around retro gaming, basically. And he seems to concentrate quite a lot on C64 and ZX Spectrum are the areas where he is mostly, well, as far as I'm aware, because that's all I see, well, most of what I see from him. Well, today I took back a big bunch of machines that I picked up from him last year, and it's taken me till now to fix them, and I've mostly fixed all of them. There are still a couple in the workshop here, and he's kindly, being the lifeblood of this channel, especially More Fun Fixing It, he has sent me back with 1 or 2 machines. I'm not going to count them.
These, this, these, all of that, all of this, all of these, all of that, and all of that.
So that's what we've got to look at, and I'm going to put them on the workbench 1 or 2 at a time, and we're going to quickly go through them and see if there's any, if there is anything interesting. We'll look at it a little bit more deeply, but I'm not going to switch on any of them. I'm not going to triage any of them, because that would be a 10-hour video, literally would. So I'm going to randomly pick up something, and it's going to be this thing first, because I'm sure that you would have spotted this. And I can't even fit it on the bench camera, or just about fits on the bench camera. So it's a Dig Dug. What is this, a quarter scale arcade cabinet in its box. Quarter arcade, yeah. And Paul has loads of these, and this one was his, and he has actually replaced it, and he kindly said that I can have this one because it's broken. It's got some water damage. He had a leak in his roof, and where the other ones were stored, and this one got the brunt of that leak all inside it, and it doesn't work anymore. So that's going to be a future repair. I'm really looking forward to that. We've got 2 plus. This one only needs a composite mod, so that won't ever be seen on the channel, probably, unless something really interesting is inside it. I can already see inside there is something vaguely interesting. It's not really interesting. There's a blue socket in there, but we know what revision motherboard it is. Oh no, we know what that one is. We don't know what this one is. There really could be anything in here. Look, it's the first one. Let's open this one and have a quick look. And there's a composite mod and a membrane. Yeah, so the CPU is in a socket. That's quite cute. In a blue socket. And the coil looks really crusty. Okay, I'm going to try and make sure that this is the only one I look inside of today. So be aware that that is the case. Oh, that's a bit of a shame that there's some corrosion got in there. Yeah, there's not really much else to look at in this, apart from the memory. The upper memory is all in socket, so that is quite unusual. I need to remember that because I need to use some of that for a project. Well, I'm actually going to go through every single one of these and number them so that we've got a count. 1. And the 4S, the dead 4S, it's really clean, that one. It's going to be number 2. Just so you can get an idea of how many machines we're looking at here. I suppose these count as computers. A couple of 1541s. So Mark, the retro channel, will be going, oh yeah, that one's no good, but this one's okay. This one will be all right, but that one, nah. So the type of type of mechanism, one's got neutronics and one's got something else. So I'm going to count these as computers as well, because they are. 3 and 4. So this one says minty but not picking up discs. And this one says, not reading disc, spinner was stiff, looser now, maybe need way on runners, something on runners. Oh, sort that out. I've got a pile of 1541s. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a pile here, this high already, of 1541s and a couple of, or three 1541 2s over there as well. So they're getting added into the pile. I will get round to them. This one, Minty disk drive, no good, no feet. So there's a few of these. Yeah, literally a few. There's three. Three, and nice condition, bad disk drive, TV socket loose. That was all right to me. Oh, maybe putting something like this into it is why. Yeah, that doesn't feel very good. The core of that's gone. So these are basically works, but disk drive broke. Mint condition, disk drive no good, no feet. So it's a very common thing. The computers themselves are very, very reliable, but the disk drives, the belt goes in all of them. So 5. And you know, I don't need to put a new, I can just write on these ones. 6, 7, not even scratch the surface. Oh, before we go any further with computers, there's this bag of mostly joysticks, but also some cables and things in here. But yep, there's a big bag of joysticks there, and one broken power supply for a C64. Yeah, lots and lots of joysticks. So I might do we were jokingly saying that I'd do a charity stream of just fixing joysticks. We've got this bag here. And there's one issue 1 here, ZX Spectrum, which has a serial number of 589. Dead, 9 volts on, new power pack, old one. I don't know. I can't. I can't interpret that one. Slightly less pristine keyboard. A really nice keyboard on this one. This one's got a little bit of yellowing, and the enter key and space key have got some wear on, but proper old school issue 1 with the hole in the back. So that's 2 issue 1s. Flashy screen issue 1 with the hole on the back. I think that's all the issue 1s. So we've got 3 Spectrum issue 1s here. What were we up to? So this is 8, 9, 10. 2 ZX81s. Rolling screen and no cursor, then red screen. So this is 11 and 12. Dead issue 3. I need to move this out of the way, otherwise it's going to be focusing on it. 11. Black and white columns, lovely. 12. Corrupt on boot up, 13. Membrane needs composite mod issue 2, 14. So some of these aren't broken, some of them just need a composite mod. Works, but press keys and system resets, membrane looks okay. 15. Don't know this one. Oh, issue 3 needs membrane, needs composite mod, so this one works. No, 16. Oh, that's a nice case on that one. All works, 6A, but horrible picture. 16, 17. Minty new black and white all original. Ooh. That is a nice one. So it'll probably just need a composite mod. 18. Let's put that there. 19. New, needs composite mod, works, new membrane. So another just a composite mod. This one looks like I've had a go at this one before. Bad membrane issue 2. So this might be one that's come back. Blue screen of death. All right, died. And this is number 20. Really ratty looking one here. Blocks on screen, but lovely yellow board. Oh yeah, yellow PCB. Excellent. So 21. Rippled faceplate on this one. That's really not a very nice faceplate. A 6A works, horrible output, needs membrane. 21. 22. We ain't done. It's a nice condition one. Nice issue 3, blocky graphics. 23. It's a nice faulty one. Black and white. 24. Needs composite mod and membrane. 25. And the last one of these, bad comp mod from DKtronics keyboard. Bad comp mod from DKtronics keyboard. He might have swapped one into this one. 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 rubber keys. So what did we get to? 25. Is it? No, 26 we got to. 26. This was on his table and I said, ooh. So he's given me this, an Atari 2600 emulator thing, all in one. I'll go up on my shelf. He got me some of these. Now, I bought these back in November after I mentioned them on, I think, a live stream. These are the best sweets ever. Licorice cola bottles. Oh, they are not going to last long. That's not all the speckies. Cleaned, chest blocks on screen, tape deck untested. 27. And 28. Reset button. Oh, this one's one that's come back. Reset button doesn't work and freezes computer. So that needs further investigation. 28. Oh! There's a few returns here. Don't know why that says faulty RAM on there, but it looks like I've fixed this one or maybe sent it back before I fixed it. So this is 29. No in-game sound or keyboard sound. What that is. Number 30 is another return. It was all working. Full diag, tape drive, service, new belt, recap, mods, and motherboard mods. So I did everything on this one. It had a manky keyboard. Works tape issues again. All right, so keyboard cleaned, tape deck worked then didn't. Okay, so this is 30. Powers up, but no tape deck and keyboard issue. 31. You might be wondering if that's all of the spectrums, but it's not. HC Strange Screen Colors. 32. And issue 6A. Strange Screen Colors. 33. Black and white screen, missing a key as well. And crashes every now and then. Comp mod needed. 34. There are a couple of others here that are basically spares machines. I think one of them, yeah, one of them's got a PCB. Do you know what? I'm actually more curious about this one than I am about the whole one. So I want to see what this PCB is. It's a complete PCB. I thought it'd be pillaged. It's missing a keyboard connector, but the ULA is in here and all of the chips are there. I don't know why it's got these bits in here. They're from this. Oh, that's just the keyboard plungers. But that actually, oh, that could be a bit of a challenge, that one. Yeah, there's no reason that can't be brought back to life. And it's an issue 4B as well, so definitely worth having a crack at that. I'm counting that as one of the computers. So that's 35. But this one isn't a computer. This one is just, oh, that's just the top half of a computer. What's in here then? Yeah, this is empty. So, oh, all three of them are all missing the same key over here. That's a bit of a shame. But I have got spares elsewhere. Oh, let's do the C64s. There's not quite so many. Oh, there's some keys in here. Maybe one of those keys is hiding in that package. 36. Power black screen. Works but no sound. Oh no, Sid. 37. Power black screen. 38. Lovely. I do like a black screen. C64. 39. Another black screen. Trying to write on the ribbed bit of the vent. 40. Power black screen. And 41, key off in post, SID not working. It's a lot of C64s. I've got some bits and pieces here. There's a dead cassette recorder here and some dead power supplies. I'll be handing those over to Henry at the weekend because he likes that power supply fix. I don't know if I can get this under the camera, but yeah, you can just about see in there, there's a whole bunch of C2N tape decks and cables for me to repair. And that's it, just the 41 computers. 41. 41 computers to repair. That's almost a year's worth of content if I fix one a week. Yeah, so I will be batching them up and releasing them as and when. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little look at the insanity that is my friend Paul Universal Retro Boss. He's insane. You're mad. You're absolutely mad. Thanks for the sweeties. I'm going to be munching on these all afternoon. Who needs dinner? Yum. All right, see ya. Oh, God, so good.